thinking do more like a wolf cut. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah.
However you want, I trust.
Okay, sure. What you feel like the fringe? Like, do you want to grow longer or do you want to try? Like,
I don't mind. I trust you.
don't mind.
I'll just let you do whatever.
Okay. How do you wear your hair?
It depends. Like, because recently, when it's like oily, I just kind of put it up. Yeah. But usually I'll just wear it out. Like whatever's easiest.
So even there is a fringe, it's fine for you.
Yeah, it's fine.
Yeah.
It grows out pretty quickly anyway.
That's true.
Yeah.
Because I'm thinking to cut like here. There is one kind of blonde line, but your hair is wavy, so you wouldn't really see the straight line. You will see just some short layers in here.
Yeah.
And then I'm gonna cut another line
Yeah.
around here.
I love that
So
style.
there is like a step.
Yeah.
So like a 1, 2, 3 step. Yeah.
Okay.
I'm thinking maybe we can do something with the steps of the tips of the steps, the color.
Yeah.
How you feel?
Yeah, I like it. I trust you, it's
maybe
fine.
What kind of color are you thinking? Like, is there any preference? Like,
Reddish color.
Reddish.
Yeah. What do you think? What ideas do you have?
Red or pink. Yeah,
I think the red. I really want to see how that looks, like
Red,
that
are
deep
you?
plum color. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Let
yeah.
me grab the color.
Yeah.
chart.
Thank you.
Yeah, that's also.
Yeah.
This will be more strong because it's like a red.
Yeah.
Oh wow. Okay.
I like that one.
Yeah, this is so cool on you.
Yeah. I really like this one.
You really like this one?
Yeah. I feel like because it's brighter.
Yeah.
Make more of an impact.
Maybe we just stick with this one. Do you think like just the tips of the color, like with the steps?
Yeah, I think so.
That's quite strong. Like, on the leg.
Yeah.
Alright.
So you find the wolf cut on TikTok?
Yeah.
The name?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Like a while ago. I think I just found it randomly because I think it started like trending. And I just saw it and I was like, oh, like that's so cool. I just saw a bunch of people posting like, oh, I really want this haircut. And like a lot of like photos from Pinterest and stuff. And that was just when it first started like gaining popularity.
Yeah.
And then people started getting it. I think people started with like mullets, like shaggy mullets.
Yeah.
And then it kind of went from there. But it's really popular on that platform. So I think you got really lucky with that.
Because I think that wolf cut is original from Japan.
Japan, yeah.
Yeah.
It started trending like from I think overseas, and then it made its way because a lot of people were just finding photos online. Especially with like the Hime cut and stuff. I think it's really good that it's getting traction because it's like it's also kind of like showing appreciation for like culture. Because a lot of people were seeing that haircut in anime, and like Asians were getting the haircut, and people were like, oh, it's like this character's hair, but it's actually like a traditional like hairstyle. So people were like, no, it's actually like a Hime cut. Like there's history behind it. So it's good that people are actually like educating themselves about it. Because I think it's definitely like an art form, especially like cultural hairstyles. So I think it's good that people are finally educating themselves about it, I guess.
And appreciating different culture.
100%. Instead of just being like, oh, it's like an anime haircut. People are finally putting like names to it, which is really good.
Oh, that's cute.
Loving it.
Yeah, I really I kept seeing a lot of your like mullet type cuts after I left, and I was like, I really like that style.
Oh, okay. put here, 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 here.
Okay.